Hello, organic farming participants and those enthusiasts who are interested in the program of organic farming. Now, there is a good news about it that organic farming program also has an addition of hydroponics topics to it. So, the one which you are seeing in front of you is the advertisement of the program Organic Farming and Hydroponics. It's a 2 days program which has been organized by Institute of Entrepreneurship Development UP, IDUP, the leading institute of entrepreneurship under the government of Uttar Pradesh. This is a certificate course, a government certificate would be provided, and this program is scheduled to happen in Noida, sector 62 at the given address on Saturday and Sunday, 10th and 11th of July 2021. This is a 2 days program. The fees are 5,900 and it includes the course fees, the certificate from the government, the soft study material that will be shared, and lunch and tea. The contents of the program are nicely designed to help you achieve all the knowledge that is required to launch an organic farm. The contents of the program and the topics are organic land preparation, organic manure preparation, how do you do the crop planning, organic farming's complete process will be explained. The concept of food forest, which is fast becoming very popular in the urban centers of Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Pune. Then organic certification process would be explained. Harvesting, storing and packaging of the organic produce and how to market it will be explained. Then how to actually cater to the export market of organic, that will be covered. What are the government schemes into it, that will be actually shared. Hydroponics is a very emerging nice subject which is now picking up very fast in the urban areas. All those are urban agri entrepreneurs, they are preferring hydroponics. So we'll be covering the aspects of hydroponic, the complete concept about how the hydroponics actually technique is used, and what is the method to actually grow through hydroponics will be explained. How is the concept actually profitable, how do you actually get a better crop quality using hydroponics will be explained, and what are this cost involved and the benefits of launching it, so that will be explained. Right? So this is the 2 days program. The mobile numbers are mentioned below. The program is definitely for those who are interested in organic farming business and who want to get into hydroponics. They get this dual certificate. The registration is open now. You can register it through the phone numbers mentioned and get your seat confirmed that way. So at the program venue is IITTM A36 sector 62 Noida. It is better that you actually pre-register now and book your seat, because of the COVID protocol, there will be limited seats here, and only a few seats actually would be allowed to be participated, right? So you can book your seat and confirm your participation. This advertisement complete to go through has been actually and run through has been given by Hardik Rawat. Hardik Rawat is the training provider and the trainer for this program. So you can subscribe to this program and book your seat. Thank you.